Hello friend, welcome to Lawyer's Kingdom. How are you doing today? Here is a step-by-step guide to the full court proceeding of a check bounce case under Section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, NI Act. Step 1. Notice of demand. The payee, complainant issues a notice of demand to the drawer, accused, within 30 days of the dishonor of the check, demanding payment of the amount mentioned in the check. Step 2. Non-payment. If the drawer fails to make the payment within 15 days of receiving the notice, it is considered a deemed refusal, and the complainant can proceed to file a complaint. Step 3. Filing of complaint. The complainant files a complaint before the appropriate court having jurisdiction over the matter. The complaint should contain necessary details such as the name and address of the complainant and accused, description of the dishonored check, relevant dates, and the amount involved. Step 4. Scrutiny of complaint. The court examines the complaint and ensures that it fulfills all legal requirements. If the complaint is found to be in order, the court may proceed with issuing summons to the accused. Step 5. Summons issued. The court issues summons to the accused, directing them to appear before the court on a specified date. The summons also includes a copy of the complaint and any other relevant documents. Step 6. Accused's appearance. The accused is required to appear before the court on the specified date. Failure to appear without a valid reason may result in an arrest warrant being issued against the accused. Step 7. Charges framed. The court reads out the charges against the accused, specifying the offence under Section 138 of the NI Act and any other relevant sections of the law. Step 8. Accused's plea. The accused is given an opportunity to enter a plea of guilty or not guilty. If the accused pleads guilty, the court may proceed with pronouncing the sentence. If the accused pleads not guilty, the trial continues. Step 9. Examination of witnesses and evidence. The prosecution presents its witnesses, including the complainant and any other relevant individuals, to provide testimonies and evidence supporting the case. The defense has the right to cross-examine these witnesses. Step 10. Cross-examination. The defense counsel cross-examines the prosecution's witnesses to challenge their credibility, raise doubts, and elicit favorable evidence for the defense. Step 11. Defense evidence. The defense presents its witnesses and evidence to counter the prosecution's case, establish a valid defense, or cast doubt on the complainant's claim. The prosecution has the right to cross-examine the defense witnesses. Step 12. Final arguments. Both the prosecution and defense present their closing arguments, summarizing the evidence, interpreting the law, and highlighting their respective positions. They aim to persuade the court in favor of their argument. Step 13. Judgment. The court examines the evidence, considers the arguments, and applies the relevant legal provisions to deliver its judgment. If the accused is found guilty, the court imposes appropriate penalties and remedies under Section 138 of the NI Act. Step 14. Remedies and punishment. The court may order the accused to pay the amount mentioned in the dishonored check, along with interest, and may also impose a fine. In case of non-payment of the fine, the accused may face imprisonment for a term specified by the court. Step 15. Appeals. Both the complainant and the accused have the right to appeal the court's decision within the prescribed time frame. The appeal is heard in a higher court, which reviews the case based on the records and arguments presented. Here's a small example of a check bounce case court proceeding under Section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act. Mr. Patel, a contractor, provides services worth 1 lakh rupees to Mr. Verma, a client. As payment, Mr. Verma issues a check dated 1st of May 2023. However, when Mr. Patel presents the check for payment on 10th of May 2023, it gets dishonored due to insufficient funds. Mr. Patel sends a notice of demand, but Mr. Verma fails to make the payment. Subsequently, Mr. Patel files a complaint, and the court issues summons to Mr. Verma on the court date. Mr. Verma pleads not guilty. The prosecution presents witnesses and evidence to establish the dishonored check, while the defense cross-examines them. Finally, after considering the evidence and arguments, the court finds Mr. Verma guilty and imposes a fine of 2 lakh rupees, which is twice the amount of the check, along with an additional compensation of 1 lakh rupees to Mr. Patel. Please like and subscribe our channel and stay updated with legal knowledge.